welcome back students. In previous session we discussed about a parallel computing. Now we are going to see about a distributed computing. It is a collection of independent computers that appears to its users as a single coherent system. It allows the computation to be broken down into units and executed concurrently on different computing systems. So this is the conceptual view of distributed system. Here you can see the multiple tasks are assigned to a single communication network and they are accessed by a multiple users. So this is called as an distributed computing. So in distributed system, the multiple concurrent processes are interact over the network. The interactions are happened with the help of some messaging protocols. First one is a inter-process communication protocol. Next is remote procedure call, message oriented middleware, remote method invocation, the service oriented architecture, and finally we have a web services. Using these type of messaging protocols, we can communicate to the multiple servers present in a single communication network. So this is called as a distributed computing technology. So based on these messaging protocols, we are using the XML protocol also. The XML protocol is a simple object access protocol, that is SOAP. The XML document used in that is WSDL and UDDI. WSDL is Web Service Description language that is used for simple and complex expressions. And Universal Descriptor discovery and integration is used for registry purposes. So the above mentioned communication protocol and web services are building blocks for the cloud computing. Next we are going to see about the cloud characteristics or advantages. First one is a self-service. We can access the cloud anywhere, anytime with the help of internet. That is self-service. Broad network access. We can access the cloud by any kind of gadgets like laptop, tablets, mobile phones and personal digital assistants. Resource pooling. We can share the resources by multi-tenant model with different physical and virtual resources dynamically assigned according to consumer demand. Next is an rapid elasticity. When our need is increases, it automatically expand our cloud storage. When we don't want a much space, then it will allocate a what amount we want, that much is allocated. That is called as an elasticity. Last is a measured service. It automatically control and optimize the resource by levering a metering capability with the help of abstraction concept. So next we are going to see about the elasticity in cloud. It is a main concept in a cloud technology. It's a most important benefit also. When the number of user access increases, applications are automatically provisioned. The extra computing, storage and network resources like CPU, memory, storage or bandwidth, and when a smaller number of users are there, automatically decrease those as per requirement. So whenever we want to increase, it will be increased. Whenever we want to reduce the space, it will automatically reduced. So based on these user requirement, the cloud will be worked and it share the resources also. So just like pay per use or pay as you go services. So these are the introduction and definitions used in cloud computing concept. Thank you.